Hello everyone. Now I am going to discuss a topic that is food drug interaction. Okay, this topic basically belongs to the subject of hospital and clinical pharmacy for diploma in pharmacy first year students. So basically in this video I will discuss the summary part because the introduction part I will previously discuss in my previous video. So before going to the summary, I will discuss some point about drug interaction. That is, we all know that drug interaction can alter the pharmacokinetic or pharmacodynamics of a drug. Okay, the pharmacodynamic interaction may be additive, synergistic, or your antagonistic effect of a drug. The drug interaction represents, we all know that an important and widely under recognized source of medication or errors. Okay. So basically comes to first point, that is the fruit juices. Okay, interaction of drugs with the fruit juices. We all know that among all fruit juices, that is grapefruit juices possesses high interaction with almost all types of drugs. Okay, the juice modifies the body's way of metabolizing the medication, affecting the liver's ability to work the drug through a person's system. Okay, that numerous reports have documented already that the drug interaction with grapefruit that occurs via inhibition of CYP3A enzymes. Okay. So with new anticonvulsant drug, serum iron and sodium need to be monitored. It is monitored. Additionally, users are advised to avoid drinking grapefruit juice within 1 to 2 hours of taking this anticonvulsant drug. As well as cholesterol lowering agent, that is lovastatin, should be taken. It should be taken with food to enhance gastrointestinal absorption and bioavailability. Okay, the absorption of rosuvastatin, another anti-hyperlipidemic agent, was significantly decreased in the fed state compared with the fasting state. Okay. Then coming to warfarin. Warfarin is it is common. We all know that commonly used to prevent thromboembolic events. Okay. Patients taking warfarin are at particular risks of interactions with dietary supplement. Then coming to your monoamine oxidase, antidepressant activity of monoamine oxidase inhibitors was initially noted. Okay, although older monoamine oxidase inhibitors are effective in the treatment of depressive disorder. Okay, so it is mainly the interaction occurs with tyramine containing food for these monoamine oxidase inhibitors. For example, mesute seeds, red wine, ripped bananas, yogurt, or so-called cis reaction. Okay, since they are capable of producing hypertensive crisis in patient taking monoamine oxidase. Okay, anti-hypertensive drugs. Okay, so patient placed on anti-hypertensive drugs will benefit from concomitant moderate sodium restricted diets. Okay, then your antibiotics, it has a serious food drug interaction of antibiotics. Okay, so analgesics and antipyretics. Okay, so basically these all have some food drug interaction. So this is some point about food drug interaction. So basically in the summary part I will identify only 3 points. First point is we all know the most drugs have nutritional status. Then we have to always look for therapeutically significant interactions between food and drugs. And lastly, identify and monitor high risk patient those on multiple medications and marginal diets. Okay, this is the summary of the topic food drug interaction. Thank you for watching this video.